Today, we're in the St. Leo's neighborhood of San Jose. This amazing home was completely remodeled in 2021. With over 1,700 square feet of space to enjoy, the main house has just over 1,300 square feet, plus a 200 square foot basement, plus an additional almost 200 square feet of a detached ADU. Please come inside and take a look. From the minute you walk inside, you'll immediately appreciate the oversized gourmet chef's kitchen. On the main floor, you have a family room, a full guest bathroom, master suite has a walk-in closet and oversized master bath, sliding doors leading to the backyard. While you're in the main house, don't miss the automatic door that goes down to the basement. As you step out to the backyard, you'll immediately be welcomed with mature landscaping, a built-in kitchen, pergola, string lights, beautiful pavers. Also in the backyard is this amazing one-bedroom, one-bathroom ADU. Ending the tour today in this amazing backyard. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly.